Some researchers will go to almost any length to advance science, but for Luis Rocha, it's more like any depth. Rocha and a team from the California Academy of Sciences in San Francisco recently returned from an expedition to deep coral reefs located off Guam. At more than 330 feet deep, it's a layer known as the twilight zone.
So those depths are very hard to get to. The end result is that those depths are really hard to study. Very few people do it.
What they're learning is both exciting and concerning. As we reported here on ABC7, the Academy team identified roughly 20 new deep reef species, ranging from sea slugs to hermit crabs to a variety of unique ocean creatures never seen before. Terry Gosliner is Senior Curator of Invertebrate Zoology.
A lot of the species that inhabit this area are completely different than those that are found in shallow water. And we're also finding that they're different than the organisms that have been found in deeper water.
So you're looking at one ARMS unit. That's an autonomous reef monitoring structure. This one is entirely clean.
To lure in specimens, the team deployed a multi-leveled scaffolding in the coral. Over time, sea creatures enter and make themselves at home, but senior curatorial assistant Johanna Loacker says there's more to the process than what the eye can see.
We can get the DNA of fish that may have left some waste as they swam past, and now they're long gone, but we have this reference of when they were there. Things that may have settled on arms plates and then died, and were only there for a short time, but we still have remnants of their DNA.
But another emerging data set is more troubling. Luis Rocha and his team have uncovered evidence suggesting that ocean warming, a trend blamed for bleaching and sometimes killing coral worldwide, is reaching deeper than expected, possibly into the twilight zone.
We don't have all of the data analyzed yet, but it's strongly suggesting that there is a warming trend even at those depths, and the impact can be as great.
Rocha also uncovered evidence of coral damage at lower depths during a survey in the Indian Ocean. The data is helping to drive an initiative at the Academy known as Hope for Reefs, with the goal of reversing the damage in oceans around the world.
There's a lot of fish, and all of those are suffering with the impacts at those depths. And one of the saddest things, I think, is that we might be losing species even before we get to know them.
For the Academy, it's an urgent journey of discovery, trying to better understand the exotic creatures that live in the ocean's deep reefs in an effort to better protect them. In